Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A15 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this phone. First you will need to wake up the screen on your phone, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the power button. And after you wake up the screen, you will need to open the quick panel. To open it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here we have the quick panel. On it we have a bunch of icons, basically shortcuts for functions. And one of the icons should be the screen recorder. Looks like this. And if you want to start the recording of the screen, simply tap on the icon. And here we can customize our recording. We can enable the sounds for media or media and mic. Media is basically everything that comes from your phone. So if you have some music on your phone going or stuff like that, it will be recorded. Mic option records also the microphone, so you can talk basically during the recording. None option will record no sounds. You can also enable the option to show the taps and touches on the screen while you're recording. And once you're done setting this up, tap on start recording. You will see the countdown and the recording will start. And we can record our screen. Here we have this menu at the top, which allows us to do a couple of things. We can pause the recording, resume it. We can tap on the icon here to open the camera, and basically you can record with the selfie camera also. We can tap on the pen icon to draw on the screen. We can also change the color of the pencil, like that. And once you're done recording your screen, you can simply tap on the stop button right here to start the recording. You will see the notification that the video was saved. You can tap on it. Let's open it with photos, for example. And here we have a recording of the screen. And that's how you record the screen on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.